Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Mark, the voice of ThinkEcon, and today we're going to be trying out a new type of video, namely an opinion piece, so more normative than analytic if you know what I mean. We're going to be reflecting back to the university experience and provide you with 5 reasons why you should study economics at university this fall. Before we begin, we want to express how extremely grateful we are for all the support you've shown us on our past videos. We're now over 70 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. We're really appreciative of the support that you guys have shown as viewers. With that said, let's get right into things. At the time of recording this video, it's August 2021. Now, if memory serves me correct, this is around the time that many university students are stressing out about getting into their desired courses, being waitlisted for oh-so-popular bird courses, and trying to get a grasp on what the upcoming year will look like. If you're in first year, this is an especially daunting task. Now let's throw a global pandemic in the mix, shall we? The point is, August is hectic for any student preparing for university in September. You may already know what discipline you want to pursue, or maybe you don't, and that's totally okay too. Either way, there is a good chance that you have elective courses that you can fill out your timetable with. 2 possible electives are Introductory Microeconomics and Introductory Macroeconomics. While they sound pretty similar, these courses end up covering quite different concepts as the term progresses. Put simply, micro typically looks at smaller scale business operations within an economy, while macro looks at the larger economy, including topics such as inflation, employment, and gross domestic product, or GDP. We would recommend that you give one or both of these courses a try, and here's why. Firstly, the intro, micro, and macro are heavily theory-based, and they hold a lot of real-world application. In my experience, there are some courses where you're sitting around wondering when you'll ever use certain models again, but economics, at least the introductory courses, this isn't the case. You'll learn all sorts of things that you can apply to your own local economy and be able to make a lot more sense of markets in general. Let's say you're getting a new car and want to know how to negotiate with a salesman. Econ's got you. Want to know the real reason why buying bulk from stores such as Costco saves you money? Econ's got you. And want to know why the 7-year-old down the street raised his price per lemonade from 25 cents to 50 cents? Econ's got you. As you can see, it's very real-world focused. Moving on to the second reason, it's a great foundation if you want to start your own company one day. Let's say you have a passion for landscaping or baking, or even something a little bit less hands-on like dropshipping. As I said earlier, economics really helps you understand how markets work, and in this case, microeconomics would provide invaluable insight to how to structure your business to earn maximum profits, yet remain competitive in your field. Third on the list, and one that might be more exciting to hear for first years, is that economics as a major provides an amazing social life to academic life balance. If you pursue economics as a major, you'll end up with approximately 14 to 16 hours of class time per week within the lectures and tutorials. Compared to other programs such as medical sciences and engineering, this is a pretty comfortable balance. Now don't get me wrong, you'll still have to delegate a good portion of time outside of class to assignments, studying for midterms and finals, but the balance is really comfortable, and that provides a much better university experience. You don't feel burnt out, but you also don't feel like you're paying thousands of dollars to never be in class. Number 4 on our list is pretty expected. Economics majors end up in higher paying careers than many other majors. Having an understanding of the inner workings of a business model, or things such as consumer behavior, are things that companies will pay a pretty penny for. A lot of economics grads also go to work for the government or public sector, and they are also greeted with significant salaries and benefit packages. Now, I'm a firm believer in doing what you love first and worrying about money afterwards, so I'm not endorsing or encouraging the studying of economics just for the high income. It is simply a noticeable perk to studying this particular discipline. Lastly, we have something that we briefly mentioned in our first ever video on the channel, so check it out if you haven't already, and that's improved civic participation. I live in Canada, so the way our government is set up is that we vote our members of parliament into office every 4 years. And every 4 years, the candidates will tell you why they deserve your vote and how they can fix all of your nation's problems if you just give them 4 more years to show you how. Well, when this time of year comes, boy, do I love being an economist, because it really sheds light on the feasibility of some of the proposed plans, as well as provide insight on the importance of things such as the federal budget, gross domestic product, trade relations with other countries, etc. Studying economics really helps you to make an informed decision come voting season and really understand what politicians are saying enough to make your own educated opinion on who deserves your valuable vote. And just like that, you have 5 more reasons to enroll into that micro or macro course. If you took these points to heart and find yourself in one or both of these classes, come check back with the channel regularly as we release new videos on Thursday of each week. If you like this video and are excited to see more, let us know by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and comment what sort of economic topics you'd like to see us cover in the future. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next.